TikTok and YouTube Shorts are making people rich. People are posting viral short-form content and making tens of thousands of dollars each and every month from the TikTok creativity program and AdSense. Look at this YouTube account. They're posting these positivity shorts, and every single one is going viral. However, I don't see accounts doing the same on TikTok, meaning this is a completely untapped niche, and you are going to be the first account in it. If we were able to achieve their views on TikTok, which is easier to do than YouTube, we can see that this video with 16 million views would have made us anywhere between $8,000 and $16,000. Genuinely mind-blowing stuff. So let me ask you, are you gonna do nothing while people get started and steal these numbers? Or are you gonna be the one that takes action and starts making money in this untapped niche? I'll let you make the choice. So what exactly are these videos? I'll show you one so that you get an idea.
A little boy who had $1 went from shop to a shop and asked, "Excuse me, do you sell God?" Nobody replied. It turned night, he went to his 59th store and asked again.
Alright, so they're basically this positive niche that has a focus around God. Let's waste no more time and start creating this content for ourselves. The first thing we need to make sure is that we're able to access the creativity program when we hit 10K. If your region doesn't allow the program, then I have accounts in this video's description. Once on your account, you need to wait 24 hours before posting, and at the same time, you need to warm your account. To do this, head to your For You page and scroll and interact with relevant videos. These 3 steps should avoid a shadow ban. In this video's description, you'll find a Google Doc with everything that we're going to use for this video. You want to head to it and open up all the links so that you can start grinding. Alright, let's get a script to use for our video. The best way that I've found to do this is to be a little sneaky. Head to the account that I showed in this video. Scroll down until you see their shorts, and you just want to select a random one to use. I'm going to use this one with the little boy. Now head to the URL of the video and copy it. We're now going to use a sneaky tool to extract the script from this video. Head to this website called YouTube to Transcript. Now, you want to paste in the URL that we just copied into this box. Next, hit Get Free Transcript. Now this tool will take a minute, but if you scroll down, you can see that this entire script is ready. So once you have that, you want to hit Copy Transcript. We're making good progress, so stick with me. The next thing we need to do is firstly add some punctuation to this script, and we also need to make it our own. To do this, head to ChatGPT. Once on ChatGPT, I'm firstly going to ask the AI to add some punctuation to our script. This is so that when we create our voiceover, it doesn't get all jumbled and messed up. Once the AI has given us back some much cleaner text, I'm next going to ask it to create a new script for us to use for our video so that we're not stealing content. All the prompts that I've used for this process will be in the Google Doc. The script that ChatGPT has given back is way too long, so I'm going to take a minute to adjust it so that it's around 1,000 characters. My second prompt didn't work, so I'll try another. After a bit of time, you can see that we've now got a perfect script that we're going to use for our video. Lastly, I need to ask the AI to generate us some image prompts, as this will save us so much time down the line. Alright, everything is ready, so copy the script. The next thing we need to do is generate the voiceover. To do this, I'll use 11 Labs. Head to 11 Labs using the link in this video's description. Once here, we firstly need to get ourselves a voice. Hit Voice in the top right, and on the next page, hit Library. I'm now going to click Narration so that we have a good narrator's voice. Now here you can really experiment around until you have a voice you like. Hit Sample on a few voices, and listen to a few to really find one that you think would be good for this content. Once you have one you like, hit this button to add it to your voice library. Alright, now that we have our voice, we need to head back to speech. Once we are here, you want to find this drop-down menu at the bottom. Select it, and you want to scroll around until you found the voice we just got from the library. Select it. Next, hit the main text box, and paste in the script we got from ChatGPT. As you can see, it's over 1,000 characters, which means that it'll be over 1 minute long. Hit Generate Speech, and then download the audio file when you're done. Alright, we now need the images that are in the background of our video. We're going to use AI to do this, and the tool that I'll use is called Leonardo. Head to Leonardo through the link in the Google Doc, and you want to hit Launch App in the top left. Once the next page has loaded, we want to hit Image Generation in the middle. Alright, on the next page, head to image generation on the left. Next, hit more, and you want to select either mobile or TikTok. It doesn't really matter which one. Finally, head back to ChatGPT and start by copying your first prompt. Head back to Leonardo, paste it in this box, and hit generate. Now you obviously want to repeat this process for every prompt that ChatGPT gave to us. Just copy them over and paste them into Leonardo. Once you're done with every prompt, I'll show you how to animate them. Hit this back button in the top left. Now hit personal feed over here. Once all your images come up, select the one that you want to animate. On the next page, hit this image to motion button. Make sure that the strength is set to 1, and then hit generate. Alright, you now need to navigate back to image generation. After some time, you'll be able to see that your image has been animated. So hover over it and download it. It takes a lot of credits to animate your images, so if you don't want to spend your daily allowance, only animate the first 1 or 2. We now have everything we need, so we're gonna edit it all together. Head to CapCut and start by importing everything that we gathered in this video. The first thing that we want to add is our voiceover, so select it and drag it into the timeline like so. With our voiceover in place, I'm going to straight away get us some captions. Hit text in the top left, and then hit auto captions. Hit generate. Once our captions are done, I'm going to head under the screen and hit this ratio button. Now hit 9:16 to put our video in the TikTok format and drag your captions to the middle. Next, pick a font that you like from the top left of CapCut. Once you have one, scroll down and select the box next to stroke and the one next to shadow. Finally, head to animation. You next want to hit captions, and I'm going to choose spring for this video. We now need to add the images. As you can now see, the captions are perfectly in place to where the images need to go. So this part's super easy. Start by dragging in your images one by one. Make sure that they're cropped perfectly to last the end of the captions. You'll have more images than me, so just carry on and insert all the images that you've gotten in their corresponding place. Now, if you're also like me and couldn't turn every image into a video, I know a workaround. Select an image and then head to animation in the top right. Now hit combo. I'm going to hit bounce. And as you can see, it's given our video this moving effect that looks really good. So you basically want to repeat this step for all our images to give them movement. Here's what our video should look like now.
In a small village, a boy named Ben lived with his uncle after losing his parents. One day, his uncle fell seriously ill, and the doctor said only a miracle could save him. Determined, Ben set out with his only possession, $1, to find help.
It's really good, so export it. Thanks for watching this video. Check this video's description for the best TikTok assets. Bye.